it's me Sarah and I'm back with another story. This time it's a bit different, the story, because I'm gonna be reading you some of Aesop's Fables, and this book contains a lot of different stories. We're going to start our collection by painting on these. And what do you say are these? They're rocks. They're rocks I got from the beach. And I'll show you what we're gonna do with them. So, for our story, The Lion and the Mouse, we're going to need 2 rocks. Now here, I have 2 rocks that I painted in white, right? So you're gonna get 2 rocks, paint them in white, so that you have the colors come out better, and then you're gonna paint them. Now, I already painted another 2, and here they are. I picked a big one for the lion and a small one for the mouse. And on the big one, I colored in the background in orange, and then when the orange dried, I put in a yellow circle, and that circle is gonna be the lion's face. Now with this one, it's very small. So I colored it in gray to represent the mouse, and now we're gonna show his face. Let's begin. Let's begin with the lion first. So with the lion, you're gonna grab a paintbrush, some yellow, and you're gonna do lines around the face to represent the lion's hair. You can do as much as you want of these. There's no really a specific amount of how many you can do. Now we're gonna add the same thing but with red.
It's hard for me to say you love. It's hard for me to say you love. Go with the button, you know how we do. It's
So that's the hair. Now we're gonna grab a black marker, and with the marker we're gonna draw in the face. So we're gonna give him one eye. Before you use the marker, of course, make sure the paint is dry. Nose and the mouth. And of course, we can't forget the whiskers. And there we have our lion. Now for the mouse, we're gonna grab our marker and we're gonna draw the mouse's ear. We're going to draw his eye, and his nose. And we're going to add some whiskers. There we go, we have our mouse. So we have our lion and our mouse. And like that, we start our collection for our book, Aesop's Fables. I look forward to seeing you all next time.